Alright, let's get started over here. Now, if you're working on the left side fog light bulb, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right. And if you're working on the right side one, turn it all the way to the left. That way you have access to the panel over there. Now, there are three clips which hold the panel in place. 1, 2, and 3 over there. In order to get the clips off, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. So get the screwdriver, unscrew the middle part of the clip, and then you can get the entire clip off. Once you get the clips off, make sure you don't lose them. Now you'll be able to peel the cover back, and right there with the blue connector, that's the fog light bulb over there. See, there's enough space for me to get my entire hand in there. First, let's get the electrical connector off. So press down over there where I'm pressing down with my finger, press down and pull the connector off like that. Once you do that, grab the bulb, twist it left like 1/8 of a turn, and the bulb should come off. The bulb size H11 bulb. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulbs. I recommend upgrading to the LED bulbs. Make sure the base of the bulb is the way it's shown over here in the video, pointing at 3 o'clock. Once you do that, grab the bulb, twist it right, 1/8 of a turn. Let's not forget to put the electrical connector back on, and then we can now just put the clips back on for the panel. Start with the middle clip, that makes your life easier. Put the clip back in, push the middle part in. Now put the other two clips on, and that is pretty much it. See how easy that was? Hope you found the video helpful. Cheers.